Hi guys, welcome to my channel and a happy new year to you guys. I just want to show you guys this amazing foundation that I received from Group. It's by Fenty Beauty and it's called the Profilter Powder Foundation. But today I'm going to start with my eyes first, and everything I'm going to be using in this video will be by Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm going to be using their All Day Collection eyeshadow palettes and the number 11, I believe number 9. So I applied that on my lids. Then after that I applied my transitional shade, which is also from the same palette. Then I took the collection palette and I applied the brown shade from the palette, and I also used that as my you know main shade, if that makes sense. Anyway, about this foundation, guys, I am a huge fan. I like the fact that I could use it alone, I could use it with a concealer, I could use it with normal foundation, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. And I also like the fact that the foundation comes in 50 shades and undertones, guys. That's amazing, like seriously. I am loving the fact that it's a very full coverage foundation, depending on the look you're going for. If you want to top it up with, if you want to top it, layer it on your normal makeup, then you're going to get that bow pow coverage. But if you're going for that no makeup look, then you can actually just apply your moisturizer on your face and dab the foundation on your skin like that, and you get that flawless airbrushed finish. But in this video I actually applied my concealer, then layered the foundation on top of my concealer. So because for this look I was actually going for proper full coverage look. So after that I did my contour and all of that, then layered the powder on. Guys, the coverage is amazing. It's, to be honest, it's actually a medium coverage powder, but you can build it up as you please to give you that full power coverage if that's what you're going for. But for this look I actually decided to dab it on top of my concealer, and I am loving the coverage so far. I love the fact that it's so versatile, especially for someone like me that sometimes just like a no makeup look. I actually wore this foundation a few days ago and I've got people complimenting like, oh wow, your skin looks lovely. I'm like, no, it's actually a foundation because it looks so flawless on my skin. So if that's the look you're going for, just apply your moisturizer first or your primer, then layer the powder on your skin bare, like on your bare skin, then you're good to go. I also like the fact that, look at that guys, look at that, the coverage is just amazing. Look at that compared to the sides that I haven't applied the powder. And I also like the applicator as well. It takes enough products from the package and build it up nicely without looking cakey or whatsoever. So that for me is also amazing. And the most amazing thing about it is also the fact that you can also use the Fenty Beauty powder brush to apply this powder as well. It comes, it gives you that flawless look, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I am loving it so far. You can get yours at Avis Nicole, Sephora, and also on Fenty Beauty website. I also use their eyeshadow, the holiday collection eyeshadow. God, I love the pigment from this eyeshadow. Anyway, all our minis are really good because I have actually used almost all our palette, and I'm loving the texture of our eyeshadow so far. So yeah, I use the eyeshadow as my blush, so I don't have a blush, so I technically had to improvise with eyeshadow as my blush. So yeah, and voila, that's the finished look. I am loving it so far. Would I recommend this powder? Definitely recommend this powder because a little goes a long way and the coverage is amazing. If you're not going for a full coverage, as I've explained earlier, you can just apply it on top of your moisturizer. But if you want a balm full coverage, dead on full coverage, like 10 hours coverage, then apply your concealer first, or your what's it called, this uh moisturizer, I forgot what they called. you know, the light coverage foundation. You can apply that first, then layer this on top of it, and you'll be good to go. Look at that, the coverage is amazing, flawless. Like, look at that, it looks like my skin and I'm loving it. Bye guys.